Hello again, everyone. This is the video that's going to discuss the groups a little bit more to try to clear it up a little bit for you guys. The groups have been created for the class, and there are several places to find your group members. If you go onto our page under content, at the very bottom you will see groups. It's a document that lists all the groups for the class, so that will give you the names of the group members in your class. You can also, there should be, when you first log into Blackboard for our class, on the left hand side there should be a tab that says groups. When you click on that tab, it should show you your group members, and also it will give you the ability to email your group members, and there are other tools there for your group specifically. So that's how you guys can communicate with each other. I have also created the discussion board form for each group. So when you click on discussion board, that's that tab to the left, you will see that is the forums for the groups, and each group is listed. Who all is supposed to be within each forum is also listed, so make sure you are in your own forum and not someone else's. That is where you will find the document for the group assignment that you are covering. For half the groups, it'll be the Journal of Christopher Columbus. For half the groups, it'll be an excerpt from Bartholomew de las Casas' book. So, and the questions are there as well. The questions for the document are also at the very end of the document itself. So you could talk in those forums with your group members about who's going to do what question or what you found so far, so on and so forth. That's your communication is within the forum. And also you guys get to decide which group member is going to put all of your answers together in a Microsoft Word document and submit it for grading. And that's between you guys who that group member is. It does not have to be the same group member every time. If you guys want to change it up, that's fine. But one person will put all the answers together in a Microsoft Word document and will upload them back under content. If you go back to content, you'll see at the very bottom under that groups document is a tab called discussion boards. When you click on that, that is this, it'll take you to how your submission point for the first group assignment. So if you click on that, you can upload your Microsoft Word document there. Now, some people don't have Microsoft Word and it might be a little bit difficult. You can put your answer in a text submission. That's where you click on that and you just write the answers to your questions, and I will accept that as well. I would rather a Microsoft Word, but if you need to do a text submission, that's fine too. And that's pretty much how you work together as groups. If you're having trouble getting to that point where you see your group members or their email, just let me know and I can send you their email information so you guys can coordinate the documents and questions. The goal of this assignment is to really introduce you to primary sources. I mentioned it in the paper 1 video. If you haven't watched that, you can do that. But a lot of the information that we get in history is from primary sources, stuff that's written at the time that you're talking about. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to understand. Now, with these first 2 documents, Christopher Columbus and Bartholomew de las Casas, the documents you are reading are in English. The original were not in English. They were usually in Spanish or other languages. So these have been translated for you. So you are actually reading the translations of the original documents. So keep that in mind as you read them. So also you got to keep in mind that even the translations will be in a way that you're not used to for today. The style of writing, the style of speaking has changed over time. So sometimes it's a little bit difficult to understand these documents. But that's why we do it in a group setting, so that more than one person can be reading it and interpreting it. And then you guys could talk about what you think it means, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much the group assignment. If you have any questions about it, if you're having any trouble with it, you can let me know. The first group is due this coming Thursday by 8 a.m. So you should have time to complete it. Once again, if there's a problem though, if you're seeing any difficulties, then just let me know. From here on out though, most groups will open on Thursday and then close the following Thursday. So your second group activity will open this Thursday, and so on and so forth. And now with this first one, there's only 2 documents that the groups are doing. Going forward though, there should be at least 4 or more documents that I use, so that there's a wider range of primary sources. After 8 o'clock on Thursday, the discussion board forum that's open for this first assignment will disappear, so you won't see it anymore. You still have the opportunity though to upload your group document after that point. You just won't be able to see the form anymore. So don't get alarmed if it goes away. But you'll need to go ahead and create that answer document before then, so that the answers don't disappear, because that would be bad. If you have any questions about this assignment or anything in the class, just email me, let me know. All right. Once again, y'all have fun.